100 Push-ups a Day Challenge. How it impacts your health and fitness expert advice. Engaging in the 100 Push-ups a Day Challenge can have a profound impact on your health and fitness when approached with dedication and proper technique. Here's expert advice on how this challenge can positively affect you. Strength building. Push-ups are a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Doing 100 push-ups daily can lead to significant improvements in muscle strength and endurance, enhancing your overall physical capabilities. Muscle tone and definition. Consistently performing push-ups can help sculpt and define your muscles, resulting in a more toned appearance. This is especially true if you focus on maintaining proper form and engaging your muscles throughout each repetition. Increased endurance. As you progress through the challenge, you'll likely notice improvements in your muscular endurance. Your ability to perform more push-ups in a single set without experiencing fatigue will increase, allowing you to sustain physical activity for longer periods. Cardiovascular health. While push-ups primarily target muscular strength, performing them in quick succession can elevate your heart rate and provide cardiovascular benefits. This can contribute to improved heart health and overall cardiovascular fitness. Weight management. Incorporating regular exercise like the 100 Push-ups a Day Challenge into your routine can aid in weight management and body composition. Push-ups help burn calories and build lean muscle mass, which can support fat loss and contribute to a healthier weight. Posture improvement. Strengthening the muscles of the chest, shoulders, and core through push-ups can help improve posture by promoting proper alignment of the spine and shoulders. This can reduce the risk of developing posture-related issues and contribute to better overall body alignment. Community support. Participating in the 100 Push-ups a Day Challenge can provide a sense of community and accountability. Sharing your progress with others, whether it's friends, family, or online communities, can help keep you motivated and on track toward your fitness goals. Personal growth. Overcoming challenges and achieving fitness milestones, such as completing 100 push-ups a day, can foster a sense of accomplishment and personal growth. It can boost your confidence, self-esteem, and belief in your ability to overcome obstacles both in fitness and in life. Remember to listen to your body, rest when needed, and consult with a healthcare professional or fitness expert if you have any underlying health concerns. With dedication, consistency, and proper technique, the 100 Push-ups a Day Challenge can positively impact your health and fitness in numerous ways.